Welcome to Racine Toyota, your premier destination for purchasing a vehicle. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles in inventory, and comes equipped with rear view camera, roof rack, Sirius XM satellite radio, alloy wheels, heated front seats, steering wheel controls, rear spoiler, electronic stability control, keyless entry, tire pressure monitoring system, and has less than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Here at Racine Toyota, your experience matters. Our friendly staff is transparent and proficient. Our motto is simple: doing it right the first time. So come let us help you drive away in a vehicle that is just right for you. Come visit us here at Racine Toyota. You'll be glad you did. We're located at 13350 Kilbourn Drive in Mount Pleasant, Wisconsin.